Hey there, health warriors. Today we're going deep into a topic that's been bubbling up in my DMs lately: natural remedies for stomach ulcers. Stick around, because by the end of this video you might save yourself a world of discomfort and a hefty medical bill. But first, let me ask you this. Have you ever felt a gnawing pain in your stomach that won't quit? Like there's a tiny creature in there having a feast? Well, you're not alone and might be dealing with a stomach ulcer. Now, I know what you're thinking. Great. Another health video telling me to eat bland food and pop antacids like candy. But hold up. What if I told you there are natural ways to tackle this issue that don't involve emptying your wallet at the pharmacy? And if you watch this video to the end, I will reveal a bonus remedy that helped me cure my ulcer permanently. Before we jump into the good stuff, let's break down what we're dealing with here. Stomach ulcers, also known as gastric ulcers, are open sores that develop on the lining of the stomach. They're like little craters on your stomach surface, and trust me, they're about as fun as they sound. You might be wondering, how did I end up with this internal war zone? Well, the most common causes are 1. H. pylori bacteria. These little troublemakers love to set up camp in your stomach lining. 2. Overuse of NSAIDs like ibuprofen or aspirin. Yeah, those pain relievers might be causing you more pain in the long run. 3. Excessive alcohol consumption. Your favorite happy hour drink might not be making your stomach very happy. 4. Stress. Turns out those sleepless nights worrying about your job might be doing more than just giving you bags under your eyes. Now, how do you know if you've got an ulcer? Common symptoms include a burning sensation in your stomach, feeling full quickly when eating, bloating and burping, nausea, and in some cases, vomiting or black, tarry stools. If this happens, see a doctor ASAP. But here's where it gets interesting. What if I told you that your kitchen might already be stocked with potential ulcer-fighting superheroes? That's right, we're about to turn your pantry into a natural pharmacy. Before we go further into this video, like, share, and drop your views about this content, and subscribe. It helps YouTube to recommend this video to other viewers. First up on our list of natural remedies is cabbage juice. I know, it sounds about as appetizing as drinking lawn clippings. But hear me out. Cabbage is packed with vitamin C and L-glutamine, both of which can help heal the stomach lining. Studies have shown that drinking cabbage juice can significantly reduce healing time for ulcers. 2. Let's talk about licorice root. And no, I don't mean those twisted candies you got trick-or-treating as a kid. I'm talking about the real deal licorice root extract. It's been used for centuries in traditional medicine to treat digestive issues. It works by increasing the mucus coating of the stomach lining, which helps protect against acid. 3. Moving on to something a bit more palatable: honey. Not only is it delicious, but it's also a natural antibacterial. Studies have shown that honey can inhibit the growth of H. pylori, the nasty bacteria I mentioned earlier. Plus, it's soothing and can help reduce inflammation. Now, let's spice things up a bit, literally. Turmeric, that vibrant yellow spice in your curry powder, has potent anti-inflammatory properties. It can help reduce stomach acid and protect the stomach lining. Try adding it to your cooking or make yourself a soothing turmeric latte. 5. Let's talk about aloe vera, which isn't just for sunburns, folks. This soothing plant can also help with ulcers. It reduces inflammation and promotes healing of the stomach lining. You can find aloe vera juice at most health food stores, but make sure you're getting one that's specifically for internal use. 6. Garlic. Garlic might not do wonders for your breath, but it could do wonders for your ulcer. It's got antimicrobial properties that can help fight H. pylori. Plus, it boosts your immune system, which is always a good thing when you're trying to heal. 7. Last but not least, let's talk about probiotics. These are the good bacteria that help keep your gut healthy. You can find them in fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut, or take them as supplements. They help restore balance to your gut and can speed up healing. 8. And here's a bonus remedy: Gestid. Gestid is an over-the-counter medication that combines antacids and digestive enzymes to provide relief from stomach ulcers. It works by neutralizing stomach acid and promoting the healing of the ulcerated tissue. It's a great option to consider alongside your natural remedies for a more comprehensive approach to healing. Now, I know what you're thinking. Great. I'll just chug some cabbage juice and call it a day. But hold up. While these natural remedies can be super effective, they're not magic bullets. You've got to pair them with some lifestyle changes to kick that ulcer to the curb. First things first, stress management. I know, easier said than done, right? But trust me, it's worth it. Try meditation, yoga, or even just taking a few deep breaths when you feel overwhelmed. Your stomach will thank you. Next up, diet changes. I'm not saying you have to live on bland oatmeal for the rest of your life, but there are some foods you might want to avoid. Spicy foods. I know it hurts me to say this too. Acidic foods like citrus and tomatoes. Caffeine. Alcohol. Instead, focus on eating smaller, more frequent meals. This helps reduce the amount of acid your stomach produces at any one time. And don't forget to stay hydrated. Now, I've thrown a lot of information at you, and you might be feeling a bit overwhelmed. But here's the thing, healing takes time. Be patient with yourself and your body. These natural remedies aren't instant fixes, but they can make a huge difference over time. But let's get real for a second. While these natural remedies can be incredibly effective, there are times when you need to see a doctor. If you're experiencing severe pain, vomiting blood, or have black, tarry stools, don't pass go. Don't collect $200. Go straight to the emergency room. Also, if you've been trying these remedies for a few weeks and aren't seeing any improvement, it's time to consult a healthcare professional. They might recommend additional treatments or tests to get to the root of the problem. Click the link in the description to grab our recommended healthy living products. So, there you have it, folks, a complete guide to tackling stomach ulcers naturally. From cabbage juice to stress management, you've now got a whole toolkit to help soothe that angry stomach of yours. But don't let this be the end of your health journey. Keep exploring, keep learning, and most importantly, keep listening to your body. It's pretty smart, you know? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. And hey, why not share it with a friend who's always complaining about stomach pain? You might just change their life. And remember, in the comments below, let me know which of these remedies you're most excited to try. Or if you've got your secret weapon against ulcers, share it with the community. Until next time, stay healthy, stay curious, and be kind to your gut. Peace out, health warriors.